Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel Brooklyn Kitchen Khana VKK. Today I will be sharing something that I bought from Amazon, so let's open it up. Let's start this unboxing. I've been looking for this vacuum for a long time now, and I did my research, so finally I ended up buying the Roomba 692. The best part about iRobot Roomba is that you could download the app from an app store and you could start cleaning whenever you want to. Even though if you're not home, you could just go on the app and press the button and it will start cleaning up for you. I did my research looking for the perfect vacuum that was hands-free and easy to use. So let's see what's inside. It does obviously have a manual, so you can see what are the features and how this vacuum can be used. Obviously it comes with a wire. Let's take it out of the box and unwrap it. This is the charging base. Let's unwrap that. Obviously on the bottom you can see the brushes. Let's turn it over and see how does it look like. I don't think this is very difficult to use. Let's pull it apart. I think this is where the battery gets charged, so let's remove this yellow tag. Altogether there are 3 wheels, one on the bottom and 2 on each sides. Let's attach the wire to the base so you can charge the vacuum. Just to remind you guys, please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so, and don't forget to like the video and of course share with your loved ones. I would love to hear from you guys, so please do comment down below. I'm going to leave it on charge for about 2 to 3 hours, and after that we will use this vacuum. So stay tuned and let's see how this thing works. As you can see, it's charging now. You can see the green button, and also you can see the battery signs is orangish, meaning like it's charging right now. So I guess it will turn to green when it's ready for us to use it. So after when it's charged, you can see all the buttons light up. Let's press the button. It says clean, and let's see how it works. The first thing I just noticed is it just detects, and if it hits something, it tries 2 to 3 times and it moves on to a different location. Also, this vacuum is not loud as any other regular vacuums, so the voice is not a problem. The best part about this iBot is that it goes around the furniture. It also goes under the furniture so it don't miss out any spots. As you could see, it's reaching every corner and also under the furniture. As you can see, it went on a carpet, it went on a wooden floor, and also the ceramic tiles. So basically it cleans all kind of different floors. Now it's the moment of truth. Now we're really gonna find out if it picked up all the particle and dust. So we're gonna flip it up and we're gonna press this button gently and slide it out like a drawer, and we're gonna look inside. Wow, look at that. Look at all that dirt and some dust bunnies and all of those little particles. So that's my unboxing and review of the iRobot Roomba, which is a great buy and I really love it. It's very helpful for cleaning the floors, carpet, or even ceramic floor. So thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe with the notification bell, and also don't forget to like, and of course do comment down below. Until next time, see you later.